What class are you going to enroll in?
After 2.
Just 2.
Okay. That's all right.
Don't fight anybody.
I'm looking for my.
Professor Jaja.
Oh, hello. How are you?
Ọmọ yín ni.
Ọmọ ta ni?
I just enrolled her in your school.
Okay, so you mean she want to enroll into JAJA High School? That's okay. But why is she not even talking? No, but we like she can and that is right?
Wọ́n ti tọ́jú ẹ̀ ó wà okay.
Kí ló ṣe tó fún tọ́jú ẹ̀ like?
Go see, I'm Areya.
That's all right.
Ayé kò dání.
You say no. So this calm down. Wow, I like that. I love that. That's all right. That's okay. What class are you going to enroll in?
After 2.
Just 2.
Okay, but it seems like you are going to be a very star. Do you see that? Can you imagine? Did you see that? He was about to test me. Wow, this is a bombastic and a jabberjastic scenario. That's okay? Bombastic fantabula. Is this the student that is coming into my school? That's okay. Do you see? Come. That's okay. That's okay. Excuse me, madam. Please, let me see. Madam, let me see. Come, let me see. You should have said it. It's my sister now. That's alright. Hello. It seems like you are a stubborn child, and I will make sure I will treat you. I am beating your teacher. Excuse me. Calm down.
Hey, Barry! You put your professor, man. Hey, man, no one draw.